Hey everyone, Sony PlayStation Mechanical Watch, created in collaboration with Anicorn, feels less like branded merchandise and more like a deliberate attempt to translate gaming history into a lasting collectible. Released to celebrate PlayStation's 30th anniversary, the watch immediately sets itself apart by existing in extremely limited numbers, with only 300 units produced worldwide. That scarcity alone reframes the piece as something meant to be cherished and preserved rather than casually worn and forgotten. What makes the watch especially interesting is Sony's decision to go with a mechanical, automatic movement. Gaming-themed watches are usually quartz-driven novelties, designed for visual flair rather than horological substance. Here, the mechanical heart signals a shift in intent. It aligns the product with traditional watchmaking values, such as craftsmanship, longevity, and emotional attachment, qualities that mirror how many fans feel about the original PlayStation itself. The movement choice gives the watch a sense of permanence, reinforcing the idea that this is an anniversary piece meant to endure. The design language draws heavily from the first PlayStation console, but it does so with restraint rather than overt branding. The dial features raised triangle, circle, cross, and square symbols, integrated in a way that feels tactile and purposeful instead of decorative. The hands are styled to resemble the start and select buttons, a detail that longtime players will instantly recognize without it feeling gimmicky. These subtle references reward familiarity, making the watch feel personal to those who grew up with the PlayStation 1 era. The case continues this thoughtful approach. Its matte gray finish and industrial shape echo the original console's utilitarian aesthetic, capturing the understated charm of 1990s hardware design. Even the caseback carries meaning, drawing inspiration from the PS1's optical disc drive. It's a hidden detail, but one that reinforces the idea that this watch is built for fans who appreciate depth and nostalgia rather than surface-level logos. Alongside the mechanical centerpiece, Sony and Anicorn are also releasing two play symbol quartz watches in dark mode and light mode variants. These models are more accessible and playful, featuring floating symbols that shift as the watch moves on the wrist. While they don't carry the same collector weight as the mechanical edition, they help round out the lineup by offering different entry points into the anniversary celebration. Taken as a whole, the collection shows how far PlayStation has evolved beyond being just a gaming platform. It reflects how gaming culture now comfortably intersects with fashion, lifestyle, and high-end collectibles. By blending mechanical watchmaking with iconic design cues, Sony and Anicorn have created something that feels both nostalgic and mature. With prices ranging from roughly $250 to $780 and availability limited exclusively to Anicorn's website starting December 19, 2025, these watches are positioned not just as anniversary souvenirs, but as meaningful artifacts of PlayStation history. Thanks for watching. Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.